Same with Jokic. He's my favorite player in the league to watch. He's a savant.
There's no scout that makes him uncomfortable. You want to double team him?
Yeah, you can't double team him.
5th in assists. Oh, you want to play him one-on-one versus a big guy?
He'll cook you.
Let me go to the top of the league.
The most impressive performance was this year. He came out the second half, and I think he had at halftime and went into overtime. I believe he had 33 and 12. It was the most impressive performance I'd ever seen on an NBA court. I was on the court when Bron dropped his 50-point triple-double against the Warriors. This Jokic performance, the first one I looked at and was like, yeah.
Organized basketball.
I got Joker.
He has the formula.
Is he the best player?
He is, bro.
Nikola Jokic and the Denver Nuggets. Michael Malone said, and I thought that was one of the best descriptions I've ever heard of Jokic. Whatever is needed on a possession, he's just going to make the right play. He's happy shooting 10 times and getting 15 assists. Sometimes he knows he's got to score a little bit. This stat will never get old to me. The Nuggets are 23-0 this season when he records a triple-double. There's been so many guys who get accused of stat padding. He doesn't. He just plays, and it benefits the team. It benefits everybody. Watching him play, I don't want to hyperbolize this, but it is a spiritual experience.
Nikola Jokic, first shot on the way and good. The Nuggets have the second best home record in the league. Now Jokic going around Lopez, and he scores it. Gordon gets a break. LaMelo Ball also goes out. Jokic around the corner. Jokic.
Well, this will be interesting. Jokic, they clear it out. Working on Dame. Spins inside and lays it in.
Jokic drops it in.
The Joker, he just looked the other way. And we talked about it, Chris, you and I, before the game. Lopez is a big old dude.
Now Jokic one-on-one against Lopez. Jokic hook shot is good, right over the top of Lopez. Get the ball to Jokic, guarded by Drew Holiday. Jokic reverses, double underneath. Who puts it away?
TV turn. Ooh. Jokic spin move. What a move.
Jokic backs up for the win. Yes!
Look at the handle. My goodness. Going to be an interesting couple of weeks. What a pass, just exquisite.
Here he goes. Wheels in, up and under he goes. Nuggets looking for a last shot. Jokic, up and under, scoop it up and in!
And filled that gap. Started 16 games. Jokic will spin it. Oh, look at that pass. Look at the finish. What a play! What did we just see there? My goodness!
Jokic getting bumped, around him, lay it up and in. Bye-bye. Now he's going to get a newly designed one. Jokic going to work inside. And Jokic.
Across your face or behind your head.
First bank halftime report is coming up. Vic is there.
Like it's Braun, B-R-A-U-N, but pronounced Brown.
Look at this guy.
Whoa!
We've seen Jokic down in that paint a number of times. Plumlee does a decent job.
Jokic in his bag, Birkin style, spinorama, shot clock winding down.
Jokic just doing the vet.
Cool. Now he'll back a little bit on Wiseman. Wheels and scores. How did he do that?
Finish with the left hand after reverse pivot, pump fake, up and under, twist, turn, pirouette.
This Jokic performance, the first one I looked at and was like, yeah.
Watching him play, I don't want to hyperbolize this, but it is a spiritual experience.
Organized basketball.
I got Joker.
He has the formula.
Is he the best player?
He is, bro.